Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Dinamica Plus espresso machine. It comes to us with, like the customer complaining, the machine leaking inside the drip and the coffee inside here from unknown place to him. And when I tested, I found out the leaking coming out from the mechano valve. This part fits on here, on behind this here, and the pro unit, it comes on it like that, and the grind comes on the pro unit this way, and it comes like that, and to start pressing it with the water coming from here. But it's like it has a it's like working in a way not like when I found it, so it's broken. I found it like not working as it's supposed to. Then I just replaced it, and I found out this three-way solenoid valve broken too and leaking, and sometimes not opening in the right way. This is like to direct the water to the right place. So I also replaced it. Then when I put it back together to test it, I find like steam coming out behind the screen here, and it became foggy. So I just took it apart, and let me bring that takes really long time to repair. And I bought this material, and I found the leak, the steam coming out like back from here, and it goes from in between the cables. There is a flat cables and another wires, and it's going on from around them. So I sealed it with that, and I just put it back together, and I tested over and over, and it's really good. So let's go ahead and make a coffee cup on it. This is such a great cup of coffee. Look at that. And I want to check where the originally complaining. Here you go. Show it. It is drying here. This is like when I tested before. I start like taking that video. So the machine works perfect now. Thank you for watching.